What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some small interior upgrade. Now, one thing I like doing a lot is working on the interior of a car, because the interior is where you sit in when you drive the car the most of the time and all that. So you want it to be comfortable as possible and look good as possible, but that is how I see it. You guys didn't know that I used to run this pedal, but unfortunately it was too long, so it was hitting the it was hitting the floor a lot sooner compared to like a regular OEM pedal, because this was on it. And it was preventing the throttle on my throttle bodies from opening all the way. And I did order some Fab pedals. And huge shout outs to him. Check him out on his Instagram, link it right here. Now these are all custom made and including the dead pedal. So we're gonna be installing all 4 of these. You have the dead pedal, clutch, brake, and gas pedal. And the hardware should be in here for the pedals, which is just using standard rivets, and this one mounts up using the OEM hardware. Actually, no, it's in there, but it mounts up to the OEM location. You don't have to drill holes for the dead pedal. You just have to drill holes for these 3 pedals, and since this pedal already had holes, or my current pedals already had holes drilled into it, I will have to drill more holes because it doesn't look like it will line up right. And I think on the pedal, I figure out where I want to put the rivets. I think I'll just do probably 4 center on the rivets, and I think it should be okay. And then the gas pedal, there's these 4 small little holes. I mean, brake pedal and clutch pedal, same thing. And that should be it. So let's start by pulling this car out of the garage, and most likely I have to take out my Recaro because it'll just make it a lot more easier with no seat in there. And that should be it. I think this will be far enough so I still have shade when I work on the car. And here's my current pedal setup. I just have the SRR clutch and brake pedal, but we're gonna be getting rid of these. And the gas pedal already has holes in it. And the gas pedal, it kind of looks like it's already is actually bent, like it's bent this way, because it actually is. I don't know, I might get a new gas pedal later on, but I'm just gonna take these off, probably get new hardware for them, and then resell them. And this just has 2 10mm bolts, and the new pedal should just bolt right up. Alright, first thing to do is, of course, to take out my Recaro. So yeah, just kind of blast it out. I do not know why I have an extension on this side. I could just fuck. Oh no, I have no idea why I'm showing you guys how to remove 4 12mm bolts. Now to pull it out and probably clean it a bit and start doing the pedals. Alright, gotta clean this seat up a little bit, and just look at that. I really miss the SIR look. So clean. I actually do have a new lip right there, or that new SR lip, brand new in box. I'm just not using it because I'd rather have this one get destroyed first, then swap it over. The pedals are really easy to install, well, especially these ones because they're not riveted on. You just have to take a 8mm. I think this is the nylon lock nut, so I can't take it out by hand. Alright, well, I'm gonna do this and I will be back with you guys. Got the pedals off. It's kind of a bit hard because it's a bit cramped, but these are the pedals. These are SR. Most of you guys will look at these like they're some like Ricer mod or eBay stuff, and these are. But throughout time, your eBay parts, which this started off as a eBay brand, if I'm correct, SRR, they went out of business, and now these pedals go for so much money. And yeah, I'm gonna post them up for sale. So they once used to be like an eBay brand, and now they went out of business, and now these pedals go for so much. I offered $200 for these pedals, and they originally are like roughly like only like 40-50 bucks. They start off like Razzo, the brand Razzo. But yeah, so that's that, and we're installing these. Slightly smaller, and gas pedal. I think I'm gonna do the clutch and brake brake first. Dead pedal, it doesn't matter, I could do that last, but I'm gonna bring all these pieces there real quick and mock it up. Probably mark it with a Sharpie and then drill out the holes. Hopefully it's not too annoying. Hopefully I can get my drill in here if I can't. I'm gonna take off this panel if I can't. And nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna mark it and then drill it out and then put the rivets in. So that's that. Easy gas pedal. I have to take out this rubber piece. Or can I? Oh, I can. Well, that pedal's fucked up, but alright. So let me see. I need to figure out what size drill bit this is. I think Fab himself actually did send me a message on what drill bit to use. He did say use a 1/8 drill bit and a riveting gun, which I already have. So yeah, 1/8. Alright, now I have to grab a Sharpie, mock up the pedals, and then yeah, I'm just gonna dab 4 Sharpie little things on there and then start drilling away, and then that's when I will use the rivet. I think what I'm gonna try doing is by centering the pedal and then drilling out the holes. So I think I'm gonna do the 2 bottom ones first. So that's that. So let's drill that out. I think about it, I don't even know how these pedals go. Do they go down? I think I'm gonna do that. It looks nicer. Alright, now for riveting. This regular Stanley one that I bought from Home Depot a long time ago. And we're just gonna put the rivets in. Two. Three. Wow. Damn it, I messed up on the last one. But I'm gonna rivet these 3 in and then we'll drill it out. Very simple, all you have to do is pull on it. Like that. One more. Pop off like that, take the stick out. Three. Alright, and I'm just gonna drill out that last one. Pretty good. Where's my drill? Very easy. Now to do the rest. Look how nice that looks. Focus. Alright, now I'm gonna do this one, and the gas pedal is gonna be the same way. The gas pedal is gonna be a little annoying, but I'll probably just push it down and drill it. This dead pedal will be easy. I'll show you guys how to do that after. On the pedal, I said earlier you can mount it like anywhere you want, but I found out that there's 4 little small holes. I just didn't notice it earlier, and that's how it's gonna go on. Pedals are done. Now, if you notice, there's a little black thing underneath the gas pedal. This little piece. I had to cut it off to make it look more nicer. It's just because the pedal's messed up, and if I mount this any lower, my throttle will get stuck again, or my throttle won't open all the way. And at this height, it opens my ITPs all the way. Now, I vacuumed it also, and I did have to remove this little grip. It's already destroyed too, so that's that. Now I'm just gonna take off those 2 tendons and put the dead pedal on, and it should be complete. So far, I like it a lot. I think the new dead pedal is not gonna sit as high as this. It's gonna sit more flat, which is good because sometimes I normally rest my feet right here. Okay, now to bring the new dead pedal over. When you do buy a dead pedal from them, you guys do your hardware. And let's see how this goes. Okay, it does not go like that for sure. I am so confused. Or does it go on to the factory one? What? Hose line up to the factory one. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let's try to put. Oh, okay. Figure it out. Okay, so I guess it's because I have carpet, so the carpet gets in the way. Go. And then do the top. Ah, fuck. That is what it looks like in the end. Mine's that crooked ass gas pedal. And that little black tab to cut. All my pedals are crooked. But this panel, I need to buy a new one. The clips are broken, so that's why it won't sit all the way. But yeah, that's it. Now I'm just gonna clean it a little bit and put the recar back in. And yeah, finally got matching pedals. We're in my car now. Put the seat back in. The cool thing I like is the pedals actually match my shifter plate and the actual horn delete button. That's what it looks like. I like this because I could just finally like have my leg fully like laid out. Before on the OEM one it would be like this. Now this is perfect. Some more, yeah, but they just feel like OEM pedals. So just a nice little accessory. And yeah, so it's cool. Like a lot. I already checked my TPS and it opens all the way. Yeah, really cool pedals. So that's that. So I need to get a new panel of this. This doesn't fit right anymore. Well, that's out of the way. And yeah, that's about it. This really it. Someone wants it, but they want me to ship it, and I kind of don't want to ship at the moment. So what I actually might do is test fitting it on my car. Yep. But that's it for this, guys. So I hope you guys like this little install video of the pedals. So farewell to these SRA pedals. I'm gonna post them up for sale right now. Probably will need new hardware, but you could go to Home Depot and buy some of these. Not even that expensive. So peace out, guys. Those others just keep building. Deuces. I'm